In Stock Sutra 4, Part 5, we will learn how to use charts. First, let's find out what are we going to learn. In the section How to Use Charts, we will learn topics like how does a chart look like, what information does a chart contain, what are the different types of charts, what is time frame, etc. Next, we will learn about the initial installation and basic operation. Here we will learn things like how to install the software, how to open a chart, how to change time frame, etc. Then we will learn about indicators, what is an indicator, what is its use, which indicators I use, etc. Next we will learn about oscillators, what is an oscillator, what is its use, which oscillators I use, etc. In the end, we have a fun quiz project to self-test your knowledge on this sutra. So let's get started.